you're making slime.
So which colour should we do today? We've already made blue one. Should we do rainbow or should we do yellow?
A rainbow.
Should we do rainbow?
Yeah, rainbow.
So how about first we put the rainbow beads in first?
This one?
Yeah, should we put them in the bowl first?
Yeah. Was it purple?
Ooh, what colour is that?
Purple! Purple, my favourite. And blue.
Oh, blue. So you're going to put the rest of them in there. Good job.
And
Wow. Okay. So now you're going to add your glue in there.
yeah, this is.
Yeah. There you go. Well done.
Now get it fast.
Yeah. It's sticky.
Yeah. This is a sticky glue.
Sticky glue, yeah.
And first, yesterday we did the white one.
Now you're going to put some activator in there.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Well done.
Activator.
Yeah.
So Mom, you can open it and then I will pull it.
Yeah. There you go.
5,
Yeah.
3.
Do a couple of drops. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and now you need to add some water in. Well done.
Twilight rainwater.
Yeah.
No, it goes Twilight. Twilight, no, I need
Now you have to mix it, don't you? You have to mix it fast. Then,
Mom,
wow.
it's
Yeah,
all sticky.
it's all sticky. You have to keep mixing. See, it's all all gone into the slime.
You mean the button?
Yeah, all the buttons have gone into the slime. It's made it in the slime. Oh, is it all in there? Is it all slimy? Wow. Oh my god. Oh no, they're dropping everywhere. You need to put it back in the bowl.
Did I?
Oh, so let's see if you can take it out. Oh, okay, the buttons are going everywhere
Yeah, because they are silly and naughty.
because they go into the slime, don't they?
Yeah.
How does it feel?
Soft.
Soft?
Yeah.
You're gonna make that one now.
Yeah, I got purple, blue,
Red.
red, and green.
Yeah.
But it's not like a rainbow like this rainbow.
Now we're gonna see what type of rainbow that is, aren't we?
Yeah.
Right, so now we're pouring that one. Okay. That's enough, yeah? Does that look like enough? Oh, the beads are on your hands.
Okay.
Oh wow, okay.
A red dicky. It's a crocodile.
It's a crocodile. Okay, so you ready to put your glue in?
Yes.
Wow, okay, so you can put some glue in. Okay, so that's enough glue now.
I can't take it.
Well done.
Ah.
It's like a little sea of glue going in there.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to put the activator in. Yeah.
We need that for 3 hours.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
That's a lot.
Okay. Yeah, and now you have to add some water in there.
But you're mixing it.
Okay, add some water in there. Just a little bit, not too much.
Okay.
That's it.
One drop?
And then you're going to have to use your hands on this one. Wow, you made it into slime. You've got it everywhere.
Yeah. This is
Which one's better, this one or the first one?
The first one.
The first one. Why is the first one better?
Because this one is not better than the other.
No?
No. And actually like that like the other and it's good.
Oh.
I like a waterfall.
Yeah, this one you need to add more, don't you?
Yeah, I actually like a party.
This one's not very good, is it?
No.
Maybe if you get the first one and mix it together, then you can make a big rainbow one.
That's not rainbow.
No?
No. No, this one's not good, so the first one is good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Me and Tina, we love that one. Wait, we need to hold on. Guys, see you next time.